How to update contact card on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on your card at the top. Here, you can view and edit your contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can now change and update your contact card details from here. For example, remove your current company name and enter a new one. You can also update other information like adding an email, changing the ringtone, and more. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily update contact card on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.